Today we are introducing you the most luxurious and beautiful yacht named as Illusion Plus, which costs about $99 million. The length of Illusion Plus is about 88.5 meters. The largest motor yacht ever built in Asia is now available for sale with Fraser. At 88.5 meters, 290 in length, Pride Mega Yachts Illusion Plus is an impressive head-turner and a unique motor yacht in her range. With her impressive Dutch naval architecture from Azure and Rainsford Saunders, Illusion Plus combines striking lines, vertical bow, and design with unlimited possibilities. Her 5,000 nanometer range combined with a Rolls-Royce diesel-electric propulsion system is calling for endless adventures. The impressive exterior areas include 2 jacuzzi pools, a touch-and-go helipad, and incredible social areas. Her lower deck garage is also housing 3 tenders to reply to all kind of needs. At 3,642 GT, her 6-deck interior designed by Sino Yacht Architecture and Design is highly sophisticated. From the main deck, the stunning double-height atrium already gives this feeling of space on board, enhanced by the 15M beam of Illusion Plus. The modern, contemporary decoration and the clever use of space on board are unrivaled. Illusions Plus interior key features include a dedicated spa with a beauty salon, a gym, a cinema-capable lounge, and luxury dining areas. She also provides 8 staterooms for 16 guests, including a marvelous 80 square meter full-beam master. Presented in perfect condition, she is a must-see in this size range. The key features of Illusion Plus are impressive exterior design with wide deck spaces, Rolls-Royce diesel-electric propulsion, energy efficient, long-range cruising, touch-and-go helipad, incredible sense of space on board, ATSQM master with 180-degree panoramic views, spa with all amenities. Hope you enjoyed the intro and features of Illusion Plus. Now let's see the remaining amazing video of this yacht.